Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to search for a word in Google Sheets. So in order to find a specific word in Google Sheets, what I see is a lot of people just scroll and scroll through their sheet and then they cannot even find it, or it takes them a lot of time. In order to do it really quick, you will have to use a shortcut, Ctrl F or Command F if you are on Mac. So press it and now it will appear Find in Sheet. So this window will appear and you will have to type in what you are looking for. So I will type in my word, and as you can see, it's automatically selecting my word in the document. I can type different one, so let's say this, and you can see it will take you right to the word. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.